Welcome to Be Here. I'm your host, Chris Marks, and right now we're in Hartford, Tennessee to do some whitewater rafting. On this trip, we decided to go whitewater rafting with Big Creek Expeditions, one of the most reputable companies in Tennessee. And they operate primarily on the Pigeon River. First things first, the guides have to take you through the safety procedures before the fun begins. You ready, baby?
I'm ready.
You ready? All right. Then we load onto the bus to take us to the launching point. The Pigeon River is truly a lovely place. Once we reached the launching point, we took our rafts onto the river to make our final preparations. The natural beauty on this river is enough to take your breath away. And we're off for another adventure.
Now pick it up. Go, go, go. Come on, left side. Dig in, left side.
This beautiful river is just full of surprises. The first stretch of rapids wasn't too bad, but it was certainly enough to get our feet wet, figuratively and literally.
Take a break.
Some parts of this trip are rough, and other parts are quite calm, giving you an excellent opportunity to admire your beautiful surroundings. Whether you're on the raft with close friends and family, or complete strangers, you'll experience a sense of teamwork on this challenge that'll create a unique bond amongst you all. What do you think, baby?
It's cold.
Wow, look at that view. And what a view this is, but the river is about to get challenging.
Let's go all forward. Take a break.
Oh, Jesus.
Keep going.
Keep rowing.
Take a break. Nicely done.
High five.
Yeah, river style. Well done.
I did mention teamwork earlier, and we certainly needed it. And speaking of needs, if you want to plan your own trip, be sure to check out the helpful links in the video's description. And now we're off to more crazy rapids.
Going.
Rivers can be dangerous sometimes, and here's my point.
Get him in. Get him in. Get him in. Everybody else, paddle forward.
I just saved that man's life.
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going!
Get out. Get out. Take a break. We wouldn't hit that rock if you had to quit. Take a break.
Oh, man.
Was that the worst of it?
That's the best of it.
That's the best of it.
The hardest of it.
Once you get past the rapids, the water calms down a lot, giving you a wonderful opportunity to enjoy all the lovely scenery around you. In my opinion, Tennessee is one of the most naturally beautiful states in the entire country, and it's really not difficult to understand why. And who would have thought that you'd have to navigate past trees on this river? Like I said earlier, this river is just full of surprises. We even passed by some very interesting rock walls along our way. I just can't get enough of all the beautiful mountains and trees around us. And now the river is picking up speed for one last hurdle before we reach our destination. But before that happens, let's take one last look at all the beauty around us.
Keep going. Keep going. Dig in. We're going to have right bank.
Well, we finally reached our landing zone. What an amazing adventure of whitewater rafting this was. If you're really adventurous, you can go even further down the river like these folks are about to. But the experience that we got was absolutely perfect for me. No regrets. Well, we survived the Whitewater Rapids. I think they said that was a class 3, so it wasn't too horrible. But no, that was a lot of fun. Highly recommend it. And if you go whitewater rafting in Hartford, Tennessee, be sure to check out Big Creek Expeditions. They're awesome. And always remember to be here.